get the radiator from 1800 Radiator, a company that I guess they have a location in Florida here. So I get the radiator for I think it's $140, lifetime warranty. Advanced store want, I think it was like $250 for the radiator and stuff. So we're going to move the ear box. So it'll give us a little bit more space. So it's 210 nut bolt and stuff. Now we got more space, so we can remove this hose, and hopefully we don't have to remove this one, but most probably do remove it. Let's remove right here, right there. Pips. Just gonna remove all this stuff out of the way so I don't break anything. So hot. It's been leaking for a while. We just put water in it and stuff. At least the hose is easier to come off. So put that out of the way. Clip out of the way. So this hose to remove, and also the oil cooler is also a bolt on the radiator guard. So I have to get underneath the vehicle and stuff. Let out that now. I let the water out, so underneath is gonna be wet, but that's no problem. So set the cooler off. I think there's two that hold it. So I'm gonna remove part of the underguard so I could reach to the screws on the oil cooler and stuff. So I'm gonna try and just remove partial of the guard and stuff. So it's some 8 screw or 8 bolt. Let's focus. That's there. Now we're going for high cool. You can see the 1T underneath it. So now we have the high cooler is off. Okay, a lot of water. Get this in the pipe right here. I haven't really drained the radiator, so there'll be a lot of water running out. So we're gonna lift the fan out next. So we're gonna remove these screws also. Okay, should be good to lift right on. Now we got the fan out. So just need to remove just 3 more hoses and 2 more screws. Need that 1 screw right here. That's holding in the radiator, and another one right there. And these 3 hoses. Some water gonna run out. So now that we remove all the hoses, cooler, the fan, the screws that hold the radiator, so now it should be easy to put it right on. This is the radiator. It was leaking somewhere on the side. This here was leaking. Probably the seal underneath it and stuff. Like back in Jamaica, we would normally reseal it over. Like we would normally remove the cover, remove the gasket in here, and reseal it over back and use it. Stuff like these are like expensive in Jamaica, so a lot of stuff what we do in Jamaica is like rebuild parts. Like over here we just remove and replace, but in Jamaica you have to rebuild it, even the fan, the starter and those stuff. Like it's cheaper to rebuild them than to buy them over new. So now we got the fan, the radiator, everything else. So let's put in the new one.